How to delete RedNote account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your RedNote application, then go to your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Now go to settings. After that, you will see an option of account security. Go over there. Over here on the last option, you will see an option of account cancellation. Tap on it. Wait for the page to load. And now simply check this box and then tap on it. Now select the reason why you want to ban or remove your account. After doing that, simply come forward and here you go. Your account is cancelled. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.